Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how you can set up a mail proxy server using Nginx using the image available on the Azure Marketplace. So click the link in the description box to come to this marketplace listing, and from here you want to create a new virtual machine. So simply click on Get It Now. Now, this mail proxy is best for setting up proxy for POP3 SMTP IMAP over SSL and TSL. After clicking continue, you would be taken to this page, and from here you want to click on create. Then you would be brought to this page where you can customize your virtual machine. So choose the subscription that you have, choose the resource group, either create a new one or choose an already existing one. Give your virtual machine a name, choose the region where you want your virtual machine to be deployed, scroll down, choose the size that best suits your requirements, and then click on review plus create. But before that, make sure to give a customized username for your virtual machine. After that, you simply have to wait for the validation process to complete. After the validation is successful, simply click on create. Now you would be prompted to download the private key and create resource. Download the private key and store it inside a secure folder, because this is the key that you would be using to connect to the SSH terminal of your virtual machine. After that, you simply have to wait for the deployment process to complete. After the deployment is complete, simply click on go to resource. Now you want to connect to the SSH terminal of your virtual machine, so simply click on connect and then choose SSH. And then from this page, you want to copy this command, open up a new command prompt or a PowerShell, paste in the command and replace the private key path for the path where you have downloaded your private key. After replacing the path, simply hit enter, and when prompted, type in yes and hit enter. So now you would be able to connect to your virtual machine using the SSH terminal. So in here, we can move on to configuring our mail proxy server. For that, the very first thing that we need to do is that we need to head inside the directory for Nginx. So the command is cd/etc/nginx. Now in here, you want to run the command ls to show all the directories or all the files within this directory. So you can see that there is this directory which is the nginx.configuration. We want to edit this file. So I'm going to type in the command sudo nano nginx.conf and hit enter. Now in this file, I want to head to the very end of this file and uncomment this tag, which is the mail tag. So uncomment this whole mail tag. After that, you can see that we only have two server tags, or basically two protocols, which is the POP3 and IMAP. We also want to include the SMTP protocol. So I'm going to copy this server tag and then paste it inside this file. And then for the protocol, I'm going to change it from POP3 to SMTP. And for the port number, I'm going to change it from 110 to 25. Now as you can see, all of our server tags are listening to localhost, but we do not want them to listen to localhost. Rather, we want them to listen to the host name. So I'm going to save this file and exit it by pressing Ctrl O and Ctrl X. And then from this terminal, I'm going to type in the command hostname --F. And then I'm going to copy this hostname address, head back to my file, go down, and I'm going to replace this localhost with the string that I have copied. After pasting this string, you're basically done with setting up your mail proxy server. There are some additional steps that you can perform, such as setting up the SSL authorization, and the link for that step is in the description box. As far as mail proxy is concerned, you can exit the file by pressing Ctrl O, hit enter and Ctrl X, and then you want to check for the Nginx syntax. So the command is sudo nginx -t. As the syntax is okay, we can move on to the next step, which is to restart the Nginx service. So type in the command sudo nginx -s reload, and you're done with setting up your mail proxy server. If you have any queries regarding this tutorial, make sure to leave them in the comment section, and also make sure to check out the link in the description box for the image place listing on the Azure Marketplace and for the step-by-step blog post guide. And if this video has helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.